People that come to see me or a prosthodontist have significant dental problems, such as pain, missing teeth, discoloration, gaps, things like that, and really come to see me to get a new smile. Well, a prosthodontist is one of the dental specialties that involves replacing missing teeth, and that's done in a variety of ways. After 30 years of experience, I get to treat a lot of cases. Years ago, implants weren't quite as common. They were really helpful for folks that had really ill-fitting dentures. And then as the technology advanced, we went more to single tooth, tissue management, growing bone, and now it's the full arch tooth replacements. Well, people come to see a dentist or a prosthodontist to get new teeth. And with my background, I made thousands of teeth, whether it be dentures or crown bridge rehabs or whatnot. And then I guess I can see the end in my mind's eye, so we have to know where we're going to end up before we even start. So those are the things that I'm looking at. I'm looking at the final product while I'm looking at somebody's mouth, getting to know them as a person. But then I can avoid some of the pitfalls instead of other general dentists that are learning as they go. They have to kind of figure out their way while they're doing the procedure, and quite frankly, sometimes they end up lost. But unfortunately, sometimes I end up with patients that have had treatment elsewhere and it didn't work out, and I can't even do anything with it, so we have to start from scratch. I would welcome anybody that has questions regarding implant dentistry or tooth replacement dentistry to give our office a call or visit our website at imagineyoursmile.com, and someone would be happy to reach out and make an appointment for you. Well, you imagine your smile, we can imagine your smile, so why don't you come on in and we'll help you get there.